What up, people? This is the first vlog ever.
Boy, if you don't get...
You guys probably know this farm where I'm here. This is my first video ever. Hopefully it goes successful in this channel I have.
Boring!
Alright, let's do it. Alright, here we are at the farm. We just made it inside. I just came here because I get food from my little animal. His name is Remy. Here's my little kid Remy. You see they have ginger, mangoes, grapefruit, juicy limes, fresh lemons, sweet and juicy oranges, bananas, crisp iceberg lettuce, fresh Roman lettuce, cilantro, fresh cabbage, fresh cauliflower, no! Cucumber, but there's no more. Virgin cucumbers, fresh tasty green onions, baby eggplants, celeries, carrots, I have no idea what those are called, and bell peppers. But my kid, he loves cilantro like a lot. I need to get that.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my basket.
Okay.
It's crazy. This one looks good though. Me personally, when I eat.
You eat it on tacos.
This one looks good, cameraman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, check right here.
Oh yeah, the one that you got.
Bruwaya's cameraman talking.
No, this one.
Or should I get two?
Yeah, he eats a lot too. But get another one because check the bottom of the stems.
I'm about to grab these two cilantros. Because my kid loves
Is that three?
cilantros. Two.
Oh.
My other job, I used to wrapping bags. My other delicious. Get this one. Let me get that seat. Let me try to get the one in the back. Here's this one, look. Yeah. What are you doing, bro? We all gotta eat. Alright guys, here we are with a turkey. My grandma would eat that for a bolillo. Where are you from? Let me interview him right here. Where are you from? Huh? Thank you. He said he's from Turkey.
Bro, I did not say that.
Right here we have goat, sheep. Well, let me interview you real quick. How's the weather here? Yeah? We do a swab test. Is that your girlfriend over there? We have a sheep over there. I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to get that leaf. We got Messi right here. Hey Messi, how you doing? Que mira, bobo. Oh, this one. Let me interview this one. How's it feel carrying Argentina for the past years? Oh, I forgot. He speaks Spanish. ¿Cómo siente que hace que lo sige na? ¿Todo bien? ¿Contigo? Isa. How's it feel being the goat of football?
Messi.
I was gonna have him though. I want to see that little one though. Reminds me of me. Dark and little and skinny. This one. Let me touch him. I don't want to get yelled at over. Stop!
Well, there's a sign over there and not here.
Now you gotta tell the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Finished walking around the farm. It was a lovely, nice farm, I must say. I would recommend coming here if you have any time to spare. So yeah, this is my friend Chungo. He just kicked it right here, showed me around. But yeah, thank you. Alright, as you can see, I just got the order. I got 2 pancakes, some white toast, 2 sausages. But I'm not eating meat because it's meat. So I'll throw it to the trash right now. Hash brown and some huevos. Let's do a taste test. Alright,
Unfortunately, that's the end to my vlog. Like it, you know, but later.